We're entering the next era of computing, where billions, perhaps trillions of computing nodes will surround us, embedded within all aspects of our lives and business. To support this change, the pendulum will swing from a centralized cloud back to distributed computing. The fastest companies to innovate will emerge and dominate as they shape how to effectively leverage this explosive new era in computation, while many former industry giants will cling to their once successful legacy business models and watch this disruption from the sidelines. Rather than rebrand legacy applications, the exponential business value forecasted for this era of trillions requires an entirely new paradigm. One where logic can easily be distributed to become the fabric of business value and transformation. One that enables a unified development experience across hardware, software, and protocols. One that is modular and flexible enough to be used across industries and applications. One that quickly advances ideas from iteration and experimentation to complete deployment and scale. One that enhances team productivity across business units by promoting collaboration. Neo is this new paradigm. A platform that is built without bias to break down the barriers holding back the massive opportunity of this new era. Jumpstart your digital transformation with Neo.